After a recent heavy snowstorm, we were thrilled to finally get out and enjoy the fresh snow. We've been eagerly waiting for a good snowfall since Christmas, and it finally happened. Winter could be a bit challenging, but once we wrapped ourselves in warm layers, the snowy landscape offered plenty of enjoyable activities. Something remarkable occurred as well. Soroy and I's families met for the first time. I was initially concerned about maybe some potential awkwardness, but I was pleasantly surprised to find that our families hit it off beautifully. With our big trip approaching, we're making a conscious effort to spend quality time together before a year-long separation. The warmth of connection is palpable among our friends and families, creating a special and appreciated atmosphere.
Winter is coming!
Wow, so snowy. So cute.
That's alright. Nice. That was my last one.
Exhilarating. Love it.
That was fun.
Hey guys, it's your boy Francis. It's my very first vlog, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, yeah?
After our snow adventures, we treated ourselves to some delicious bowls of pho. It wasn't just about the food. It provided another opportunity for our families to bond. We bonded over how they'll miss us during the upcoming trip, our mutual love for food, and the common experiences we share as immigrants in Canada. It turned out to be a cozy and heartwarming time, adding to the great experience.
this?
I'm not that good with chopsticks. Hold on.
So you just gotta.
Like and subscribe, yeah?